Hey there, junior developers and software engineers. Have you ever wondered about the real difference between coding and programming? You've probably heard both terms thrown around, sometimes interchangeably, but understanding the distinction can actually impact how you shape your career. Coding and programming, while connected, serve different functions in tech, and each one opens up unique career paths, required skills, and industry applications. Understanding the distinction between coding and programming is crucial for anyone venturing into the realm of software development. It's like knowing the difference between a screwdriver and a hammer. Both are essential tools, but each serves a distinct purpose in building something remarkable. This understanding empowers individuals to choose the right path for their careers, and equips them with the knowledge to excel in their chosen domain. Moreover, a clear comprehension of these terms fosters effective communication within development teams. When everyone speaks the same language, projects run smoother, ideas flow freely, and innovation thrives. So let's dive in and unravel the mysteries behind coding and programming, shedding light on their individual characteristics and significance. By the end of this enlightening journey, you'll be able to confidently navigate the intricate world of software development, armed with the knowledge to choose your path and make your mark on the digital landscape. Imagine you're building a magnificent Lego castle. Coding, in its simplest form, is akin to following the step-by-step instructions that tell you which brick goes where. It's the process of translating human-readable instructions into a language that computers can understand and execute. Coders are like meticulous translators, converting ideas and commands into lines of code, the building blocks of any software application. They meticulously write and test code, ensuring that it adheres to the syntax and structure of a specific programming language, be it Python, Java, or JavaScript. Think of it as writing a detailed recipe for a computer to follow, with each line of code representing a specific instruction. However, coding goes beyond mere translation. It involves understanding the logic and flow of instructions to create a desired outcome. Just as a master Lego builder carefully connects each brick to form walls and towers, coders piece together lines of code to build features and functionalities of software applications. In essence, coding is the foundation upon which software is built. It's the precise and methodical art of giving instructions to computers, enabling them to perform specific tasks and bring our digital visions to life. If coding is like assembling Lego bricks, then programming is like designing the entire castle. It's the higher-level process of conceiving, planning, and implementing software solutions to real-world problems. Programmers are the architects of the digital world, envisioning and creating complex software systems that solve specific needs. They delve into the why and how of software development, considering factors like user experience, efficiency, and scalability. Imagine a programmer as the mastermind behind a bustling city, carefully planning its infrastructure, transportation, and services to ensure a harmonious and functional environment. Programming encompasses a wide range of tasks, from defining the scope and purpose of software to designing its architecture, writing algorithms, and testing its functionality. It's about understanding the bigger picture and employing critical thinking and problem-solving skills to create robust and efficient software solutions. While coding focuses on the nitty-gritty of writing instructions, programming takes a more holistic approach, encompassing the entire software development lifecycle. It's about crafting elegant and effective solutions that address real-world challenges and improve people's lives. Both coding and programming require a unique set of skills and tools, each catering to the specific demands of these disciplines. Let's explore the essential toolkit for aspiring coders and programmers. A strong foundation in at least one programming language is essential for coders. Popular choices include Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, and Ruby. Coding demands meticulous attention to detail, as even a minor error in syntax can lead to unexpected results. Identifying and fixing errors in code is a crucial skill for coders, requiring patience and logical reasoning. Specialized software tools like Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Sublime Text provide a streamlined coding environment with features like syntax highlighting and auto-completion. Programmers need exceptional problem-solving skills to analyze complex issues and devise effective solutions. Understanding data structures and algorithms is crucial for writing efficient and scalable code. Knowledge of software design principles, such as object-oriented programming, helps create well-structured and maintainable code. Tools like Git enable programmers to track changes to their code, collaborate with others, and revert to previous versions if needed. The distinction between coding and programming extends to the career opportunities available in these fields. Let's explore some popular career paths for aspiring coders and programmers. Coding careers. Web developers use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create visually appealing and functional websites. Front-end developers focus on the user interface of websites and applications, ensuring a seamless and engaging user experience. Mobile app developers create applications for smartphones and tablets, specializing in either iOS or Android platforms. Programming careers. Software engineers design, develop, and maintain complex software systems, often working on large-scale projects. Data scientists extract insights from vast amounts of data using statistical modeling and machine learning techniques. Game developers create interactive and engaging video games, combining programming skills with creativity and storytelling. Coding and programming are the driving forces behind countless technological advancements that shape our world. Let's delve into some real-world applications of these disciplines across various business sectors. E-commerce platforms rely heavily on coding and programming to create secure payment gateways, manage inventory, and personalize user experiences. Medical devices, electronic health records, and telemedicine platforms are all powered by software developed through coding and programming. Financial institutions utilize complex algorithms and software systems for fraud detection, risk management, and high-frequency trading. Self-driving cars, intelligent traffic systems, and logistics optimization software are all testaments to the power of coding and programming in revolutionizing transportation. Choosing between a career in coding or programming ultimately depends on your individual strengths, interests, and long-term goals. If you enjoy the meticulous nature of writing code, have an eye for detail, and thrive on bringing designs to life, then a career in coding might be the perfect fit. However, if you possess a knack for problem-solving, enjoy thinking big picture, and aspire to create innovative software solutions, then programming could be your calling. The beauty of the tech industry lies in its diversity, offering a plethora of opportunities for individuals with varying skill sets and aspirations. The key is to identify your passions and align them with a career path that ignites your curiosity and fuels your desire to learn and grow. In this video, we've uncovered the distinctions between coding and programming. Coding translates ideas into computer-friendly language, while programming designs those ideas and sees the bigger picture. Both roles are crucial and open doors to dynamic careers in industries like e-commerce, healthcare, finance, and more. Understanding where your strengths and interests lie can help you decide which path to pursue or how to blend both skills to become a versatile developer. The world of technology awaits those who dare to dream, code, and program their way to a brighter future.